sa buhay ang kabiguan. Daddy! Rambutan!
Yeah, 3 years old.
Ah!
You're very
3 years old. This is the old place. Doon yung aming service. Baby,
It's too deep from here.
it's so big from me. I'm gonna take a picture of Daddy.
Yeah. You're not the ancestors of
This Manuel Quezon, and this is Jose P. Laurel. That's Jose P. Laurel, and this is Sergio Osmeña, and this one is Manuel Rojas, and this one is Elpidio Quirino, lolo ko. Char. And this one is Ramon Magsaysay, third president of the Philippines. Galeria de los President de la Res Banca Tribute. And this one is Carlos P. Garcia. And this one is Diosdado Macapagal. Diosdado Macapagal. And this one is Fernand A. Marcos. Si Marcos, ayan. Ferdinand Marcos. This is BBM father. And this one is Corazon Aquino. And this one is Fidel V. Ramos. And this one is Joseph Ejercito Estrada. And this one is Gloria Arroyo. That's Gloria Arroyo. Next one is Benigno Aquino. That's Benigno Aquino. And of course, the last one is Duterte. Bakit may ano? May kahoy dyan. Oh, kaya may kahoy dahil natumba ang puno, guys. Ayan siya.
Yan po yung best area din ang kampanya ko. Yan po yung pambenta ng mga
Can I have your phone?
Baluarte de San Diego.
kasi ang wrong side ako. Ayun naman mo, yun ang po yung Japanese channel. Yan po yung kanya ng apon.
Walk. Go, 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 go. Walk.
Got that.
the horse is here. Baby, careful. Be careful. Hoy, hoy. Oh, Yeah, that's cream. This is Philippines ice cream.
Yes, mango
You want
strawberry.
mango and strawberry only?
Strawberry.
It's mango and strawberry. What do you like?
You want mango?
Mango or strawberry?
Mango or strawberry? Chocolate.
Na-miss ko yung ganyan-ganyan. Ito. So your daddy doesn't enjoy that. They're walking. Here you go. Go get it, get it. Thank you. Isa lang po yan. Entering the Fort Santiago.
Dora.
So may bayad pala siya. Come to Fort Santiago. So we're in Fort Santiago
And
and
look, I'm making
Princess have an ice cream.
I'm making a cupcake.
Look at that. So we're waiting daddy here.
And my ice cream.
So guys, this is Fort Santiago. We go inside there. I don't know what's inside there. I'm gonna show you guys. This is Fort Santiago. Daddy can stand up here. Dad. Yan. Let's go. May swimming pool dito. Charot. So we are entering the Fort Santiago. May nagtitiktok dito. Ay.
Ha? Kaya makalitan nila po? Wala, hindi makayo.
So ayan guys, nandito kami sa Luneta Park. And that's Daddy is hungry. This is the big ball of the flag. So we're going to the fountain to sit. dalawa.
It's a flower, sir. Thank you. Pak! Tiganda. Mabilis lang. Minsan lang naman yan tiganda. Tulong mo na lang, sir. Pag yung ano tayo, yung rose, 100. 3 piraso na siya. Tapos yung sunflower tayo, 150 lang.
So the rose is 3 pieces.
100. 100. And the sunflower is only 100. Ate ko nga, kasi sabi mo ito mahal din puhunan.
The capital expensive, Daddy.
Sigod gabi naman nila.
Yun the rose 3 pieces.
Thank you, sir.
Rose.
Ay, may sunflower. Ate ganda pa rin naman yung sunflower.
Ayoko lang ng sunflower, be.
Mas maganda ito mas tumatagal din sa tubig, ate.
Rose. Hindi kasi ako taga rito.
Madam, thank you po.